In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change your username on the Threads app. Threads is an Instagram application that seamlessly syncs your Instagram username to the Threads platform. However, there might be scenarios where you wish to modify your Threads username. So, let's get started by opening the Threads app and locating the profile button situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, you'll notice that your username is displayed just below your name. To make any changes, simply tap on Edit Profile. Right next to your name, you'll find your username. Give it a tap, and you'll receive a message indicating that your name is linked to your Instagram account and can't be altered here. Because Threads and Instagram are interconnected, any modifications need to be made within the Instagram app. To proceed, tap Done, and then head to the Instagram button located in the upper right corner. Now within the Instagram app, all you need to do is select Edit Profile. Once there, locate the Username field and click on it. This is where you can adjust your Instagram username, and the change will automatically be mirrored in the Threads app. It's important to note that there's no option to have different usernames for Instagram and Threads. The same username must be used for both platforms. By changing it on Instagram, the update will seamlessly carry over to the Threads app as well. Hope this video remains helpful for you. Should you have any questions or queries, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.